Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the double-sided poster mockup in Pixlr. First go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we're going to double-click this Start a Design Project Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design button. And then we'll click Open Image to open the mockup off the computer. And depending on which design you purchased, you may have different backgrounds and different images. So just pick the one you want to use. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. I don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply. And now we just need to click on this square icon with the lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click Add Media, Browse Your Own Files. And then just find your design off the computer. Alright, this is a little big for us. I'm just going to press Ctrl- to zoom out, and then just click and drag on any of the four corners to size the design down. And then we actually want the design behind the image of the mockup instead of in front of it. Right now the background image is locked. So we'll just click once on this little padlock icon in the Layers panel over the thumbnail icon of the image of the mockup. And you'll see how the padlock icon turned to a little eye icon. Now it's unlocked. You can also click the three-dot icon over the thumbnail icon, and that'll open up the Layers menu. And you'll see here it says Unlocked. If it said Locked, we could also just click the Unlock tab and that would unlock it too. And now that the bottom layer is no longer locked, we can just take and drag the layer with our design underneath the layer with the image of the mockup. And now it'll be behind so you can see the shadows. And to add the other one, we'll just repeat the steps by clicking the Add Media, Browse Your Own Files button again. Then we'll find the other design for the other side. And I'm just going to click and drag one of the four corners again to resize it. I'm going to drag that to the back. And that's all there is to adding your design to the double-sided poster mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. Oh, and if you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, you'll probably want to save a version as a JPEG. So to do that, just click the Save button at the bottom here, and then just make sure JPEG selected. I changed the quality to 100. Make sure it's on high, and then just click Save As, and it'll guide you towards saving it on your computer. You can change the file name here by just clicking and typing it in if you want. And if you wanted the layered PXC file, you can just come in here and click Save Again. As always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you, and have a great night.